Hi guys, in this video now I will show you all the main tools I have in my garage now to work on my car. It does not mean that I will not buy new tools. I already have bought some of this and I am waiting, and when I will get them I will do another videos. So here let's start from this Proxon socket set. This is 1.2 and 1.4 ratchets and all the sockets and extensions uh, which are suitable for the ratchets. Uh, I think that this is very good tool set for DIYer. Another set here it is Hawk female torque set. You already know from my previous videos. This is brand new. I have never used it, and here are some case. This is accessories, but you know you every time need them. Here are my jack stands. They are made by Torin. Also I have jack here, lifter. Uh, this is my old wise. I bought them from USA. They are made for 2 tons, and 2 of them are enough for my car to feel safety when I jack up my car and work on it. So they are cleaned. I already have used them, but I like to uh, clean my tools. Here is another set. This is DeWalt extensions and other accessories set for working on the cars. Here are extensions. Most of them is on 3.8 or 1.4. Here you can see them. Once again, for the price I have paid for it, it is the best tool. I think so. Now these DeWalts are made in Taiwan. It is very rare to find the DeWalt tool which will made in USA. Also it has some spark plug sockets. And other extensions and accessories. The box is very good, and you can close it securely. So let's move. Here are my Capri tool sockets, which are also keys. So let's continue. This is Capri tool socket set. Here you can see the keys which are pressed on the main sockets. Here are the sizes, and I think that this tool is very important when you working on differential and other stuff. So this is 1.2 socket, which is for this ratchet size, and it works very good for me. I have already used it. Let's move on. Here are the shallow sockets. It is also female torque set from a Halford Z1Z brand. I have bought this from England. So these are not deep sockets, this is shallow ones. And here also is some adapter by Proxon. And here are another socket sets, also made by Halford Advanced. and they are very useful also. On European cars they have much fasteners and bolts which which use this type of sockets. Let's move on. Here are my double open end wrench set made by Top Tool. It is made in Taiwan, but the quality is very good. Uh, Here you can see all the sizes and the tool itself. It feels very solid, and I think that the amount I paid for it, it is very good choice. I now am going to buy some excuse me, wrenches, uh, which are combined wrenches metric sets, but now I'm thinking which brand to buy. The next tool is here. This type of wrenches which are made by Proxon. I bought it from Germany. I love this brand very much because it don't cost very much, but the quality is very good. And the two of the wrenches are addition to this Proxon set. It was missing the two sizes, and I added it to the set. Next, I want to show you this is torque range 1.4 from 5 to 25 Newton meters. This is made by Bergen. Uh, Here it is. This is suitable for little jobs. And another torque range. This is BGS. This is 1.2 size, and from 28 to 210 Newton meters. It came from Germany, and now I will also going to buy a torque wrench for a 3.8 drive. But these two, I think, as my job shows, is enough for home DIYer. And the other tools, this is my DeWalt 3.8 drive ratchet. Very good ratchet for the price I paid for it. It is very good made and heavy duty ratchet. It will last me very long, I think so. And here are my pliers. You know, twice of them, two of them from my previous videos. I added some channel lock side cutters which are also made in the USA. Here you can see it. And one of my best tools, as I have this is the Knipex Cobra slip joint pliers. This is absolutely the best plier I have ever had. This is made in Germany. This is 250 millimeters, and this is the Cobra style. I think that the Knipex makes the best pliers on the earth. This it does not cost very cheap, but in this case you get what you pay for. Here is a adjustable point, and these are very good pliers. They are machined very well, and everything about it is very high quality. So recommend to everyone who is going to buy some water pump slip joint pliers. Guys, here are my basic tools. I also have some sockets here on the shelf of my new mechanic table, which I have done 2 days ago. Here you can see these are old sockets and ratchets which my father gave to me. This is the backhoe Swedish impact screwdriver. And next I want to show you some extensions and adapters. These are made by the brand Deco, which is West German brand. They are so old. Also the Deco 1.4 ratchet made in West Germany. Then I want to show you my another 1.2 in drive ratchet, which is made by Izeltas. This is a Turkish brand, but it is very good and heavy duty ratchet. I have used it and I am very happy with it. Another socket. This is universal. Uh, Excuse me. This is BGS wheel nut remover for Mercedes wheel nuts. And here also you can see the universal joint and an adapter, which is also made by Deco, West Germany. This is 1.2 drive socket adapter. So guys, here are my basic tools. You already know my vessel screwdriver set. Now I will not open the box. Here you can see all of them, but not least I am going to add many tools on them, and make some videos also about it. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.